Welcome to the best picks. The best pink rolling backpack is probably one of the most stylish and practical choices for anyone on the go. These backpacks blend fashion with function, offering a convenient way to transport your belongings. Whether you're a student, a traveler, or simply someone who appreciates a blend of style and ease, this video will help you find the perfect pink rolling backpack. Number 5. MITOWERMI Rolling Backpack for Girls with Lunch Bag. This rolling backpack is designed with your child's comfort in mind. It features padded straps and a breathable back panel. This makes it easy for her to roll around school, saving her shoulders and back. The backpack is made with water-resistant nylon fabrics to protect items from light rain. It has reinforced stitching and a sturdy metal handle. The upgraded zippers make it more durable for daily use. This backpack offers a large main pocket with an interlayer for books, folders, and laptops. It also includes multiple front pockets and side mesh pockets. This helps her keep all her items organized and easy to find. The smooth, wear-resistant wheels make it easy to roll the backpack. The trolley can also be removed if desired. This makes it perfect for school, weekend trips, or even as carry-on luggage. The backpack comes with a matching lunch bag. It's perfect for keeping her lunch fresh. This set is ideal for school and other activities. What we like? This backpack features upgraded, sturdy zippers, ensuring durability for everyday use. It's made of water-resistant nylon, protecting belongings from light rain. If your child carries heavy books, this rolling backpack will relieve the pressure on their back, making it perfect for school. What people say? This bag is good quality and the color is vibrant. Great for carrying the little picnic items or a day at the beach. I like that the wheels are removable so it's easy to wash and carry. My daughter loves it and it has many compartments inside of it. Number 4. AOKING 2022 Rolling Wheeled Backpack. Introducing the AOKING Rolling Wheeled Backpack. This innovative backpack is designed for ultimate convenience and durability. It's perfect for students and travelers alike. Don't let a little rain ruin your day. This backpack features a water-resistant design, protecting your belongings from the elements. It ensures your items stay safe and dry. Keep your tech safe and secure. The built-in laptop compartment provides a dedicated space for your device. It offers padded protection for laptops up to 22 inches. Effortlessly navigate through busy streets and airports. The rolling wheels and retractable handle make it easy to transport. It offers smooth and comfortable mobility. Stay organized with multiple compartments and pockets. This backpack offers ample space for books, clothes, and other essentials. It helps you keep everything in its place. Built to last and designed to impress. This backpack combines functionality with a sleek design. It's the perfect companion for your everyday adventures. What we like? This rolling backpack is designed to be water-resistant, protecting your belongings from the elements. It also includes a dedicated laptop compartment for safe and convenient storage. If you are a student or a professional who needs to carry a laptop and other essentials, this backpack is a great choice. What people say? This backpack has lasted 2 very overstuffed years. I keep thinking the zipper will break and it keeps going. The wheels have never gotten stuck. It holds a lot. This backpack is very roomy and has a lot of nice compartments and has a well-made feel. The zippers seem to be really nice, and they open and close smoothly. The material is nice as well and water-resistant. I was surprised at the quality, color, and sturdiness of this bag. It does not tip over, many pockets, and the front pocket zipper is tamper-proof. Number 3. SKYMOVE 18 Rolling Backpack, College, Business Trip. This rolling backpack is perfect for students and business travelers alike. It combines the convenience of a backpack with the ease of rolling luggage, making it ideal for navigating busy environments. Featuring multiple compartments, it offers ample space for all your essentials. You can easily organize your books, laptop, and other belongings, keeping everything within reach. Whether you're heading to class or on a business trip, this bag has you covered. Its versatile design and durable construction make it suitable for various occasions. Designed to meet carry-on size restrictions, it allows you to breeze through airports. You can keep your valuables safe and close, avoiding the hassle of checked baggage. Built to last, this backpack is made from high-quality materials. The rolling wheels and retractable handle provide smooth maneuverability, making your travels effortless. What we like. This rolling backpack offers multiple compartments for organized storage. It's designed to be carry-on compliant, making it ideal for travel. If you are a frequent traveler or a student needing to carry a laptop and other essentials, this bag is perfect for you. What people say. For my job, it's necessary to have a big bag. The wheels are nice and big, the handle is perfect. It is very sturdy and easy for an 11-year-old girl to use every day for school. It has many zippered compartments to keep everything organized. Very sturdy and durable. The bag has a lot of pockets and is very spacious, and the design is like the picture. Number 2. MATEIN 17-inch rolling backpack for women. This rolling backpack easily transforms from a carry-on to a wheeled backpack. It features a telescoping handle and sturdy wheels for smooth rolling, or use the stowable shoulder straps when needed. This versatile design makes it perfect for any travel situation. Designed with comfort in mind, this roller backpack includes padded mesh back straps. It's also TSA-friendly, allowing for quick access at security checkpoints. A wet-dry separation pocket keeps your items organized, and the smooth wheels ensure quiet rolling. The backpack offers multiple compartments to keep your belongings organized. It includes a separate laptop pocket for up to a 17.3-inch laptop, a main compartment for clothes, and various pockets for documents, small items, and water bottles. This design makes it easy to find what you need. Made from waterproof nylon with double metal zippers and a sturdy aluminum telescoping handle, this backpack is built to last. It measures 20 by 14.6 by 8.7 inches and weighs 4.93 pounds. The comfortable mesh shoulder straps and reliable wheels make it ideal for daily use and travel. This large travel backpack with wheels is a great gift for women. It's suitable for various uses, such as airplane travel, overnight trips, or college. It's an excellent choice for special occasions and is perfect for business, travel, commuting, and college. What we like. This backpack converts from a suitcase to a backpack, offering versatility. It is TSA-friendly, allowing for quick airport security checks. If you value convenience and organization, this rolling backpack is the perfect choice for your travel needs. What people say. Rolls quietly. Enough pockets for my work essentials. Good materials. Double exterior side pockets are nice. Perfect for what I need to carry around items with me and keep my hands free, books to read, laptop, water bottle, chilled lunch bag, ice packs, needed accessories, etc. Good quality. Very roomy. I use this for work due to bad knee and can get my laptop, purse, and other items women can't get in their purse. Number 1. Pink rolling backpack for girls with 6 wheels. This rolling backpack is designed with a large capacity, perfect for carrying books, folders, and even a 15.6-inch laptop. It's made from high-density nylon fabric, making it waterproof, wear-resistant, and easy to clean. The backpack measures 12.20 L, 7.87 W, 18.11 inch H, with a capacity of approximately 28 liters. It's ideal for elementary school students, providing ample space for all their essentials. It features multiple pockets, including a main pocket for larger items, a secondary pocket for smaller items, and 2 front pockets for quick access. There are also side pockets for water bottles or umbrellas, keeping everything organized. The backpack has widened and thickened shoulder straps, a padded back panel, and a comfortable handle. It can be used as both a trolley backpack and a regular school backpack, offering versatility. The 6-wheel design makes it much easier to climb stairs. The trolley can be separated for use. This design helps reduce the load, contributing to children's healthy growth. We provide a warranty for every backpack. If you have any questions about the product or service, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help. What we like. This backpack offers a large capacity, perfect for carrying all your essentials. The 6-wheel design makes it easy to climb stairs. If you're looking for a comfortable and versatile school bag, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The durable material ensures longevity, standing up to the wear and tear of daily use. The wheels roll smoothly, making it easy for my daughter to maneuver, and the telescoping handle provides a comfortable grip. The backpack's spacious interior accommodates all her school essentials, and the multiple compartments help keep everything organized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.